How to stretch for hitting? I. Crossbody shoulder stretch. Hold your right arm straight at shoulder height and stretch it across your chest. Pull your arm close to your chest for 30 seconds using your left hand. 2. Hands behind back. Push-ups. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and clasp your hands behind your back. Face your palms down and outward. Slowly raise your arms until you feel a comfortable stretch in your biceps and triceps. 3. Overhead pull-downs. Raise one arm overhead and bend your elbow, dropping your forearm towards your ear and your hand toward your upper back. Use your other arm to hold just above your bent elbow. Pull gently. 4. Wrist stretch. Hold both arms straight out in front of you. Bend both wrists up and down and then side to side. 5. Trunk twist, hands on your hips and twist. 5. Bat overs. Grab your bat and hold it out in front of your body using one hand. Now turn it over from side to side, then switch hands.